Angisasa sikhathi namelena Coach Coach podcast show nje basathi ukuthi nje imidlalo tinyenti tithe ichithisakazi sibonile ke imidlalo soloqhubeka njalo ye-FIFA World Cup bese kusele nje amaqembu lamabili alekhaya eAfrika emva kokuthi lemanyenti aphume ukhumbuse nje saya kuma knockout stages amaqembu ayi9 bephume kuphela iqembu laseTunisia ngilo lihlulekile ekuthi nje badlulile kuma knockout ku last 32 kepha nje kwasala amaqembu la imfica nawo ke saphumile onke bese kusela lapha nje iqembu lesibili laseGibhithe neMorocco kusho konke amaqembu alapha nje Arab enda kahle kakhulu manje lokubhlungu ke seliphumile nalo iqembu lapha nje laseGibhithe bantwana bafaro ukhumbuse nabone kakhulu bakhombisile ukuthi bebayifunela game bahambe nje esihombeni sicala ngeligoli ngecanzeni babuya futhi 80 minutes sola bebalida nga2 not kepha nje egcineni wacala nje wenda maphutha lamanyenti lapha nje kulomdlalo especially libe phezulu umdlalo nompempe sibonile ke maphutha la khona iVAR kunikele kwendekile lapha le khombisa kona ukuthi nje abajabulanga abalandzeli ngale mdlalo kwendeka khona egcineni bayishaya nga3-2 iqembu lesibili laseGibhithe sabona lapha nje nemdlali athola futhi penalty wayiluza soluze 2 ma penalty unemlando nalapho Messi ethole 2 ma penalty waluza futhi again soluze ma penalty lamanyenti ukayiluza futhi nango2018 badlala iqembu lesibili lapha nje laseCroatia ngikhumula kahle lapha bashashwa iqembu lapha nje lelihola Luka Modric nalapho nje waluza nje ipenalty kepha nje sibe sibuka futhi nje basikhona la ekhaya sinemidlalo le khona mhla ka21 namanje mhla ka19 eJuly amaqembu lamane ala ekhaya Crystals iCroconated iTS Galaxy kanye futhi iThe Bees bathi yeluma inyosi kanti kumnanzi ke namuhla indlela ethu tokusakata esivakashela lapha nje ngomunye ke yebalansi lo setula khona ekhaya eMpumalanga eThusi ebambitanga captain ngilomunye ke bekayingcenye yabadlali manje balanzile uhambile balapha nje eMexico ukhumbuse nje eKatin Mackenzie eMinister of Sports bekakhethe balanzile banyeni ukuthi bo support ayibafana abafana lapha nje kuye iFIFA World Cup eMexico so besiva ngaye ke ihambo lakhe kusi libe Giants sambona ke ubakhona ama games lamanyeni kakhulu kade bakudlala lapha nje iTS Galaxy ke manje namuhla sambona unjinjile uqokene Avarol Lesha kusho kona ukuthi nje ayimsitile ke iMexico baphinze bamthungela khona eMexico nje uyibona nje igreen lapha sebesiva ngaye luvo lakhe nohambo lwakhe nokusikaliza la in kuyena lokunyenti ke sibuke naye nje namuhla sambonga asaphile iachievement yakhe kusilula ke kusiye ngesheya umlandzeli besihlala sibona bomama Joy kepha nje sibonile naye beyakhona Thusi captain my captain angisase sikhathi ngomukele Coach ku podcast show ngivame ukuba nabe emagamini lamanye badlala boTS Galaxy namuhla sinabe e-studio asakumukele sabonga kakhulu semhla obekhona uGrace le stage sethu
Mr. Ace Coach ngibongela lithuba lokunika lona ukuthi ngifike la studio nami nitong interviewer akusikuncane lokukhulu lokukhombisa kona ukuthi ibhola la khaya eMpumalanga iyaphakama ngingithusi mina fans president I'm also known as fans president ngilo TS Galaxy supporter and also I was in Mexico through a initiative ya Minister Katin Mackenzie
bo supporter eBafana
yes bengisupporta iBafana
kungena nje kuwe as supporter yeTS Galaxy neBafana iqale ninje lithando lakho le-football
lithando le-football ngasho Mr. Ace ukuthi liqale at a very young age because ibhola vele masisakhula emalokishini nasemakhaya masiphuma endlini sisiyodlala siyodlala ibhola sakhala kwebhola kweplastic lokho sikhahlele then bese lithando lebhola liya developer developer lapho then even nasesikolweni ngifunze eMastake Secondary School eMatsulu isematsulu bengidlala ibhola khona bayathi le ngifunze nabo ukuthi bengidlala
yathi eMastake nami ekhaya sematsulu ngiyakwathi lenganini
enganini ya bengidlala ibhola kunalomnye tishela wami I don't think usafundzisa lapha Mr. Mthimkhulu bekaphinze abe ngicoach wami yes
abantu bangakwadi bakubona kumabona kude ulapha ukuwe iFIFA World Cup eMexico baphinze bakubona lapha nje neTS Galaxy sakhumbula nje owinner futhi lapha nje iBetway ungubani utalelo kuphi kahle kahle ungubani yabo ucale njani sikubona nje basuchazile kepha nje uchamuka kuphi utalelo kuphi yabo bakwadi up close and personal
Sebethusi, I can say he's a young man from Matsulu. Utalelwe eMatsulu, then ufunze eMatsulu. makasuka esikolweni then ubese uthanda kulandzelela ibhola kakhulu and because nyaro I'm known ukuthi ngi-TS Galaxy fan. Some will ask ama-questions ukuthi ubuya kuphi to favor i-TS Galaxy because TS Galaxy insha we know yeah we know ukuthi i-TS Galaxy insha nami I'm like other fans because Mosakhula kunema teams like 3 lo wasupporta Mosakhula it's Chiefs, Sundowns, Pirates. Nami I was one of the 3 teams. Yeah Swallows yes. I was one of the 3 teams which is Chiefs. Yeah then kwathi makukhuphuka i-TS Galaxy 2019 then ngabe se join i-TS Galaxy. Why join i-TS Galaxy? Join i-TS Galaxy because TS Galaxy yakha eMpumalanga. You must uplift i-football yakha eMpumalanga.
Ngibona usesela ama games kunebonela ama teams
eMbombela. Chiefs beyingavami ukuthi la Mbombela. Itala Mbombela because kune-TS Galaxy. So asiyeni stadium support ama local teams.
Yeah sabona ke uyakhula kubalandzeli ngulomunye nje simbonako ukhumbula ukuthi sinebalandzeli abanyengi lebakhona Ficus Bothulani ngulomunye lo supporta i-team Galaxy bese kunebalandzeli abadumile abanye Ficus Mama Joy vele sambona ukhona boSadam una ngiba lo isipayile kusimanami asingine something lohlukile because sabona indlela wena ngakhona utana something le unique kusho kona ukuthi nje nawe the something mhlambe lombonile lo inspire ukuthi hayi nama ngibe support but ngibe unique njengoba labanye bagcoka indlela tabo wena even nalowe kambe we Celtics yeah Porter nayo lo umbona namakuphi uhlala awusongabona egcoka namangitiphi imbahle amathi vele ahlagcoka afake lesigcoko sakhe lapha enhloko yabo so nawe sihlala sikubona uphethe le trophy ye World Cup nale mchele yabo kuphi lokho inspire ukuthi hayi man asingibe ngihluke nami ngide something ngibe unique ngibe supporter nje elibonakala because kukusebenzele lokho namhla buka ubuya World Cup inspire yini?
Yes Mr. Lo ngathi supporter ling inspire I can say there are 2. Weqala ngasho ukuthi ngipapa wawo wes 2 it's a Porter. I call him Malme Porter.
Sanibonene mosibeni
Sanibonene besonke vele. Ngiwrong inspire because every time when you check movule i-TV yakho ubukela ibhola you'll see lo Malme Porter lapha. Makudlala i-Chiefs you will see papa wawo and then kwabe se lelithando nami liyafika no man into atingendeki eGauteng phela nathi simpumalanga you can do it. Let me just do something unique. That is why ngithi kamkela ngema work suit. I call this lo jumpsuit yami ngibita ngathi i-work suit because manje stadium I'm going there to work. I'm not going there to sit and watch and be just a spectator. I'm there ukuthi support i-team uplift the spirit of the players. That is why nje ngilo ngichoose ukuthi ngiba unique. Kamkene crown, kamkene ne work suit, kamkene cap.
Yeah sabona ke kusi udume kakhulu kulapha ku TS Galaxy especially une Avaron lenyele khona le red TS Galaxy la ngemuva ufana captain namicala ukubona lapho yaza ukubona futhi kwaba njani kube that day iBetway Premiership yakurecognize yakubita yakuwinisa nawe lapha nje umlandzeli of that day because ngabe umlandzeli kahle bakuneta 10,000 kanzi futhi ngabe mhlambe unayo futhi ine account yeBetway bese bakuneta 20,000 and nawo lomuye balandzeli bawina kwenta kanjani that day kuwe kusayi out of all namhla nawe bakubita bakuhlomelisa ukuthi ugcoke kahle kubalandzeli basimbonise.
Yes asiqale lapho kulama worksuit lengwagcokaka ngina 3 kwekuqala ngenda the first one is red yes 2 i white yes 3 i blue mangwenda lama worksuit bengawendi ukuthi I'm looking at the prize. Ngwenda ukuthi I want to be at the stadium, I want to be unique. Ngifuna kusupport ibhola ukuthi nami ngibonakala mangise stadium ngibonakala. Yekuqala ngiyendile le red. Ngenda le white, ngenda le blue but le fika ngiwinisa it's the blue one. And mangilapha stadium just ngene nje as a normal fan lapha stadium. Ngathi lutho ukuthi maybe I will win something just ngabukela ibhola then myself before yak second half ibhola game then kwaqhamuka someone from Betway wetala ke mantongitshela ukuthi okay bachoose mina ukuthi ngibe lo bachoose mina for that well dressed fan yes Then that feeling, it was, I don't know how to explain it. Because bengai katlendo. Imagine to be given 20,000 out of the blue, and it was January. Sonke besilo. Besishayile so.
10,000.
Yes, then ngaba nenhlanhla bathi 20,000 because nayo le account eBetway.
Hey, sembeke ukuthi kwakumotivate lo and then sakubona uqhubeka uyakhula man. Uyarecognizeka nako egcineni sibona iWorld Cup iSouth Africa for the first time egcina ukuthi iqualify World Cup kudzala man asibali 2010 because sengena as ma host kuqualify iSouth Africa World Cup segcina ngomnyaka wango 2002 eKorea Japan egcineni futhi kuze ibiyele World Cup kwena khona la ekhaya eMbombela Stadium la khona lapho bokhona egcineni sayibona iyahamba nang Minister of Sports Katin Mackenzie sibona ukuthi something le unique ufuna abalandzeli ukuthi bambe bo supporter bafana eMexico nahambe nawe ihlahla leyo otholaka kunabanye abakhona kuhambe njani ukuthi nawe bakuselect kwena kanjani ukuthi nawe ingcenye yale thimba yabalandzeli lelikhethiwe ukuthi lo support bafana eMexico?
Yes, pendula mbuto wakho angiqale lapha ukuthi bafana yaqualify la Mbombela Stadium and I was part of
Rwanda 3-0.
Yes, I was part of the supporters there. Masingena lapha stadium bekunabantu bayini 10 bet. Then just
Dr. Kumar 10 bet bekhona kade.
Bebakunika imic just ucomment lapha usho ukuthi wishele bafana ukuthi wine inini. Mina just ngathatha le mic joking so joke ngithi ngathi eMexico I will be there, my visa is ready. Not knowing ukuthi vele my name will be called.
Ene bodlalela utene ne visa utene passport.
Benganalo ipassport ikhona le visa nebengekho. Bengidlalela but ngiyabona khona ukuthi umlomo uyadala
nje iBhayibheli lisho.
Masifika okay le competition ukuthi ngize ngifike eMexico ngifike so our honorable minister of happiness, Minister Mackenzie, when the lenye competition ukuthi every fan PSL team I send a video bekune link le khona ukuthi usenda your 30 second clip video ugqoke your local team regalia usho ukuthi okay you are supporting TS Galaxy and why do you want to go to the World Cup then ngiyendile nale video but kuyenda kwami ngiyende nginale thinking mentality ukuthi into tendeka eJozi
una lana vela
just hayi Impumalanga ngathi bayibuka lapha but to my surprise ngiyendile le video then I was called. Then I had to travel all around the world.
And then kasi bakubita banibita njani vele?
Kusibita uthi ngiqale lapha ekubitweni kwami ukuthi igama lami belibitiwe. Minister ibe ne media briefing. Isayito kusho labantu
abalandzeli.
Announce lama winners. Mina that day it was in the morning. I was sleeping. Ngathi ngisalele just ifone bengiva kungena ama message ma WhatsApp messages. Then ngathi awuthi ngicheck ifone mase ngiyayichecka ngithola gcwele congratulations lama congratulations aqhamuka from TS Galaxy fans kusengaqhamuka from the office of the minister. Then ngathatha ifone ngachecka lo one which is Fox is one of the TS Galaxy supporters leSibana Stadium. Ngamfonela via WhatsApp call ngathi mister ngibona la uthi congratulations but why lo congratulations because mina angathi ungibongisana la athi no man you remember ukuthi wena you've entered a competition eMexico. The minister was announcing those winners and your name was number 2.
Wow.
Then ngibena you feeling vele ngadideka same time I couldn't believe it ukuthi ngactive ngavula bangithi ngiyavula ngithola minister vele iyawasha amagama but lami selijampekile then ngaphitha ngabuyela efonini ngicheck efonini ngiyabona ukuthi wona ligama
number 2
number 2. Wow. Then it was a good thing and siphinde sibongela ku minister for doing this because it shows ukuthi we are recognize ama fans because game of football it's not a game of football without ama fans. ngebadlali bodwa even naku-rugby badlali ngebadlali bodwa ku-rugby nakuma-athletics kufuna kube nema-fans so ngiko lokhu right ukuthi i-minister ikhona ekurecognize ama-supporters.
And then sakubona uyakhetha beni bangaki bala Mpumalanga ngokuphela?
La Mpumalanga I was the only one la Mpumalanga. Bekungimi kuphela la Mpumalanga.
Sesinguwe kuphela lebo ukhuluma Swati.
Bekungimi kuphela ngikhuluma Swati. Bekungimi lengishaya ubotiti bomnaka.
And then na ke le experience lenye usibani ugibele indiza uflaye uye eMexico ubone emafu angaphansi ibenjani ifeeling leyo ukuthi ugibele for the first time emlandweni wakho Mlanzeli uye World Cup akusingimanda abani World Cup wonke umuntu idream yakhe ukuthi abe ingcenye World Cup wena nawe uyithola lithuba uyaflya uyolala amashidi nemhlophe yabanjani le feeling leyo ukuthi nawe uhambe ube yipart yabalanzeli undize uye World Cup ye Mexico?
It was a great feeling, Mr. Because mina honestly speaking mangathi kulo kufly kwami bengathi kufly from kusuka Kruger International to OR Tambo, then from OR Tambo to Cape Town. Kuthi ngifly from OR Tambo to Mexico bengicala angathi ukuthi kufuna ngibonge bani ngibonge njani na uNkulunkulu ngiyabonga ukuthi unginikele ungcinile ngathola le opportunity ekufly ngingaphandle bekusolo kuyiwish yami ukuthi maybe I can fly I can go abroad but iMexico bengekho la mtondweni wami
World Cup the biggest stage of them all
bengekho la kimi and yeah kube experience lemnanzi lapho ukuthi ngifly from OR Tambo to Mexico breaking it down lokuflya kwami sisuke OR Tambo besibukele France France then isithethe from which is an Airbus manje France Airbus indies ngibeke kahle yeah isithethe from OR Tambo yahamba nathi yafika yasdropa eParis then from Paris ifike yakonnecta lenye sakugibela lenye futhi eFrance to Mexico.
Sesuke South Africa waya
France Paris which is
another experience
and Paris vele banabani uyafuna ukufika Paris mina I was there I touched that soil of Paris and mangibala lama hours from from here in South Africa to France it was 22 hours emoyeni ngisemoyeni 22 hours then from France from Paris to Mexico it was 11 hours which means all in all it was 23 hours besishota ngalo besishota ngelawa leli1 nje ukuthi sidlulele ngale kwelanga
and then ke so utholile lithuba egcineni uyafika eMexico iMexico bengicala ukuhosta World Cup yehosta ngo1986 la yawina khona iqembu lesizwe laseArgentina la Maradona waduma khona kakhulu washaya amagoli amahle especially 1986 waduma hand of God igoli lokuqala labawina khona ngathubani bashaya iqembu lesizwe laseEngland but igoli elinhle igoli number 2 wasuka nabo center dribbler konke na goalkeeper baze bayibitana ukuthi goal of the century macala World Cup bahlala bakhombisa igoli lelo uyafika eMexico ihosta iWorld Cup injani feeling ukuthi ufike eMexico balanzeli baseMexico banjani environment kudla ngiyathi kunama tacos injani environment umufika na kusose Mexico uyabona balanzeli maneshis lamanyeni batebukela World Cup
kufika kwethu eMexico I can say bantu baseMexico bantu labakahle kakhulu bantu labakhona laba friendly because thina semasifika eairport yase Mexico City shoti angikho ukuthi basirecognize njani maybe bakhona usirecognize ukuthi thina we are not from here we are from South Africa then we had to jump the queue we were treated special there we had to jump the queue saba side sabangilama fans lebesihamba nabo nalama bantu basemzansi lebesihamba nabo then we were processed separately from the others but I would like to say i-security yaseMexico it tops lapha airport angibona ukuthi it's not easy ukuthi vele ungangena nje wena ethi indoda yakho anyhow tops mina kukuhlekisa mina I was even made to ukuthi ngikhumule amateki ngikhiphe amateki ami ngihambe ngetinyawo then ngene lokwemshini wangiphakamisa itandla ngente so ba check everything but bathatha amateka ami bafaka lokwe conveyor belt ukuthi baku check so ngathi yeah this is what is right into lefunekayo then masiqetha lapho ku process amalo ukuthi sigcine entrance lapha eMexico sibese siyaphuma sesiyogibela ibhasi masiphuma sisahamba lapha e-airport sifike saqula sashaya ishosholoza everything nama fans it was like i-World Cup yethu
2010
bekungathi we are hosting bekumnandi naloko because nabase Mexico bagcine sebashaya tandla nathi sebajabula nathi lapha.
And then sofikile eMexico igame yokuqala irepeat ngo2010 South Africa edlalana eMexico kasifuna World Cup elgola la Siphiwe Shabalala and then ngale washaya captain yabo ngikhumbula kahle bekadlala ku eBarcelona Hernandez badlala idraw ya 1-1 kepha this time around kuyantshintsha iSouth Africa badlala bashaya 2-0 esibona coach Hugo Broos uyasaba usebenzisa system lengisakajwayeli 352 3 ma defenders la move and then bese lamanye la eceleni abayi5 it means 5 ma defenders 3 futhi esiswini ma defensive midfielders phambili udlala nga2 ma strikers ufaka lapha nje la Foster nemidlalo eqembu leSundowns lapha nje ecineni kepha nje bashaya nga2 not ibe njani le feeling leyo le game yokuqala ubukela eMexico neSouth Africa lo tengayo lapha ize kwenda usibe World Cup iMexico ishaya South Africa 2-0
to be in the opening match World Cup it was good ngiqale sisaya stadium from our hotel nebus ifike yasithatha ibus then masisiyofika stadium bese kugcwele kakhulu and kunema park and ride nje then our driver had to stop at a distance I was sure out okay stadium basikhomba stadium ukuthi sinasiya lapha stadium nine into zofuna ukuthi nehle nihambe ngetinyawo niyofika le stadium then sikwende lapho because besifuna kubona le game vele besilangazelele le game masehla lapha stadium that distance I can tell you it's I can say it's 15 minutes walk but to us it took us an hour to reach the stadium because bekungahambe you know what in South Africans when you go to the stadium we dress to kill labantu base Mexico bebabhizi babuka thini the way sigcoke ngakhona sima fans bo mamelo bo papa bo malme bota bo PhD bo vilakazi ngoba besihamba nabo yes besi masihamba maybe uthatha 10 step or less than 10 step sebafuna kushuta nawe una photo bafuna ama photo nawe then lapho sishuta sasathina sigcine sesitshela sisimadoda samende game the story opening ceremony ilo sesiyiphelile le then masafika stadium lo ngangijabulisi kule lapha stadium lokho sibasithethe basibeka letulu manje basibeke emathayileni
yeah kaze ufuna beniduzane ngisijwayele kuba la vele
ubuka kahle lapha besiletulu thina sijwayele kuba lapha phansi
nifile kahle
yeah ukuthi nakhona masicula labadlali bethu
motivated
yeah ba ishosholoza masishaya bayive but besekutheni and masesidlala igame igame ibe mnanzi but I can't blame the coach I can't blame the players wonke umuntu bekathukile vele lapha but the strategy sa coach asikabi kahle because lapha why are you defending ungakori lutho the opening match those Mexicans bekasaba nathi angisathi 2010 kuthi siwendeni la na thina bekufuna singene lapha singabasabi sibakhombisa ukuthi what you did in 2010 thina we are here to fix it in your own land then our coach wangena ne
defensive mentality
sharp but yona bafana idlalile shem yes
and then wabukela onke le game injani experience usubukele iSouth Africa against iMexico soyichazile wayibukela futhi against iSwitzerland noma iCzech abadlala idraw ya 1-1 and then bese igame yokugcina sawina nga1-0 igoli lamaseko ishaya lapha nje South Korea for the first time South Africa emplaneni wayo yangena kuma knockout stages bengazange kwende lokho before.
It was a good feeling also to see ibafana i-advancer yakuma group stages and they've made history ukuthi babe ba advance from ma group stages by lo last is it last 32
Yeah, last 32 knockout.
bekuhle kakhulu and which means now the world nyalo sekufuna isalibona ukuthi iAfrica can do it. Noma checka nakulolu cup ma African countries aphusha lapha nathi siyaphusha South Africa then thina kufuna make sure ukuthi maslapha ku World Cup compete nema countries nema abroad countries make sure ukuthi as relax. You must push till the last end. Unga relax lapha because those guys lengunotisile bangakuyekela badlale nawe from starting from 0 to 60 or 70 but after 70 minutes kuyale those guys bayabulala bayaqala baba inkinga lapho bayithi ne Africa sijwayele ukuthi okay ungayibamba ufike kubo 60 bese ubapaka ibhasi phezulu lapha ungayipaka ibhasi akuna pass lapha no pass kube ku7 nathi class 32 nje basikhiphele ukuthi lapha bese sitshela ukuthi sesifuna extra time and nakuma penalty bese sithembe Williams but basishaya lapha but congratulations to ibafana to ukuthi ifike lapha ku last 32.
Sabona futhi South Africa kusibadlale baze ku stages kubasitile because after lapho badlale abanyenti bafuna amacembu ngala ngesheya bombokazi athi bedlala lapha nje ngale ngesheya already kazi nema team namfunabo akona bedlala ngesheya esibonile futhi lokumnanzi elicembu lase Belgium sejelo idlala ku Champions League basayina captain ma 2000 usho kuthini kube le feeling le ukuthi hawu na World Cup nangemidlali sambona nananyalo akhishwe futhi nema nominees ukhona lapha kuma nominees for player of the year ne player of the year ne midfielder of the year naku egcineni after World Cup nema coaches angamnethe ithuba enough nje babonile le game igcina umkhiphile kepha nje nakusambona utholile ithuba bamsayinile odlala lapha eBelgium.
Ku president ema 2000 bengikhuluma na someone ngijoka so ngithi Mfokeng makapaka tikhoma takhe yopaka tikhoma then he's not coming back to South Africa. And ngifike kwendeka lokho but even na coach na coach uphose wamdeny that opportunity kube umfakile from the first game ngabe bambone kudzala and ngabe wente something good lapha ngimbongele Mfokeng ukuthi akhona ema team lamanye kumbona then amthatha naye Mbokazi even Mbokazi njalo bamfuna left right and center which means lamzansi sinawo ma player and lama players lengikhuluma ngawo mongabuka ukuthi aphuma asuke khona la ku Kasi Football aletuli
then standard se PSL sinjani because umsabuka sebenzisa akakhulu ma local based players kule team yethu even ak AFCON sabaka number 3 leya solo sebenzisa ma local based players kusho kona nje PSL iPetro Premiership League yethu strong kakhulu indlela siperforma ngakhona saze sayangena le 32 sibona nabadlali bethu bathaya ngabafuna futhi ngisho.
Yes, I can say lo talent ikhona lamzansi from our local players. It's just that we must know how to mentor that talent, how to nurture it. Funa even those big sponsors funa bayele pass le bayofuna that raw talent. Iko talent la kunabo Mbokazi le phansi. Kunabo Mfokeng. Nabo mhawunkota le phansi. It's just that asibaphusheni just badzinga kuphushwa ngathi okay imidlalo lokhona kufuna atholakale kufuna makafuna kuyodlala ibhola aye eGauteng abaye lencuthu le emakhaya le Dustin ematsulu le abafike ematsulu enkomazi abafike bo Eastern Cape balanza abadlali. South Africa we are rich in players.
And then sesibuka isizini le ethi uqala maduzane isizini before sibuke kuba ne tournament lenkulu la South Africa laMpumalanga ne former teams mhlambe sibuka kakhulu because bese focus kuwe sakubona na yi World Cup ngicabanga labanye abafisa ukwathi lebabukela ukuthi uthole play World Cup le wena lembani na lesigqoko sakubona nje so inkosi lapha ukuthi uthola kanjani le World Cup na lesigqoko wena lembani.
I-outfit lengigqoka
uchaza yonke vele
le outfit siqale kule worksuit. I-worksuit I just design it myself. I just design it myself. Mangi designer then bese ngithatha ngikusa someone else to my tailor. Then afika ngibona sathi okay, why can't we change this to this? Usematsulu Thomas and mani mfuna ngamthola ngacontacta mina then nganhlanisa naye. Then i-crown kuze ngibe nale crown nale cup I wanted to be unique. I didn't want to be someone else. If ever you are doing something, do something unique. Don't force to be someone else because more someone else. I want that guy ukuthi uphila njani. Ufuna kube nguwe nje utata okay, this is me.
And then level cup uyithole njani?
So then i-cup ngithengele to another shop. I won't say the name of the shop. Yeah, ngithengele i-cup i-TS Galaxy mayidlala ilo i-Nedbank because benginale thinking benginale feeling ukuthi sitoyithatha le cup. That is why monga check ma videos lamaningi uyangithola Bosrom Mahlangu ngibambe yona le cup. Beyi representa i-Nedbank but ngathi ukuthi kuba i-World Cup because
Bongathi nokuthi tokusita
World Cup but bengithenga ngichoose yona ukuthi ito i-symbolize i-World Cup.
Kanzi uNkulunkulu uyakuplanela ukuthi hayi lena yi-sign ukuthi World Cup.
Yeah, even like rugby ngiyobukela ema Pumas ngibambe yona le cup le.
And then sabona ke i-PSL into becala maduzane lokumnanzi la ekhaya embobelanga sina former teams igcineni sina two teams ku Betway Premiership iKruger United neTS Galaxy sina two ku PSL eMunicipal Foundation Championship Leader Bees kanye neCrystals lokumnanzi ke sibona Premier ubenele iCup next week mhla ka-19 kenyamazane top 4 yini esikayilindlela usho ukuthi nakuwe ukuthi igcineni nasibe ne-tournament yethu bambe ukubona lokho eKZN Premier Cup now former teams 2 PSL 2 Betway Premiership 2 ku-NFD bonke bodlala lapha nje ku-top 4 kanyamazane stadium mhla ka-19 July.
Sibonge kakhulu to our premier ukuthi aze acabange into leso because sine impumalanga sesiyakhombisa sesiyavela esibalweni sina four team kule four team asihlanganeni izidlali sibe necup yethu singameli ukuthi bas invite somewhere astandeleni kwethu la siyabonga ku-premier and kule Premier's Cup le kibe kumnanzi asambene kanyamazane stadium mhla ka-19 siyobukela and I will be also there sijabule asathi ukuthi kuyowina yiphi team lengakusho ngithi ngathi may the best team win.
And then when lo mnyaka lo kuya embili so achieve something le big bokayilinzele wa World Cup asini ma plans akho ama goals this year sabona ineKruger United utoba unjintshile ugqoka yona ngoba sibonile iTS Galaxy ngathi usiya Solomon Mahlangu ma plans akho emenjani this year?
Ma plans asasenjalo ngengichinje ngigqoke ilo ngigqoke iKruger mina just ngilong ame TS Galaxy fan then ngisupporta ibhola yalampumalanga ekulo kuKruger United utongibona ngilobe ngilapha kuKruger United ngijabula nema fans wearing my TS Galaxy regalia ngidohamba naye iKruger because yalakhaya eMpumalanga nayo ilo iTS Galaxy yalakhaya eMpumalanga mina ngifuna kubona iMpumalanga iphakama.
Yeah, kusho kona ukuthi silenzela lokukhulu kuwe and then sabona ukuthi tiwe futhi nema awards mhla ka-27 unominatiwe sibelebele Players of the Year bana lapha nje apolice kepha lo ngasustoyithatha lapha Mfukeng kusho ukuthini kube nje ngibani ngisingabulenzela lo mbona kahle usedeserve iPlayer of the Season especially Mfukeng uzowathola nilithuba kusayengeshaya ngenxa ukuthi udlale kahle la season.
Le ngibona Mfukeng ngathi ngiloko ngifavor iTS Galaxy bese ngifuna kube kunalo naSpinwheel because it's a product iTS Galaxy. Mfukeng uyadeserve abamnike usebenze kakhulu from Pirates to Bafana then from Bafana to abroad.
Yeah, si Ace the Coach podcast show sibonga kakhulu mani ngosi usihloniphe umkhulu ubuyangale ngeshare ube nasi namuhla sabonga kakhulu sakubonga sakubonga nawe sakuhonorisha usaphila esiqhubeka kanjalo lokwenda kube unique usupport sikulinzile na next year especially sabe sibona kakhulu lapha kanyamazane stadium emhla ka-19 July sibonga kakhulu isikhathi sakho.
Ngibonga kakhulu Mr AC nawulusi ungibite ngitelana kukhulu lokho angibasitandla tindlula ikhanda ngibonga kakhulu ukuthi ngibe la e-studio nani.
Angibonga kakhulu
sisabeka ngisupport ibhola.
Siyabonga kakhulu besinake ethusi captain lapha nje ema-fans kusi asinike experience yakhe kwelapha ku-World Cup kusi uhambe njani. Sibonga kakhulu-ke kusi namuhla sibe sinaye Ace the Coach kuyo Ace the Coach podcast show asithathe sibe khona la.